famous verse. Most of you may be knowing it. Still, we will learn this step by step. Famous verse. Most of you may be knowing it. Still, we will learn this. Are we live?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. So, on the occasion of Navaratri, we are now going to learn Mahalakshmi Ashtakam from Padma Purana, composed by Indradev on Mahalakshmi. So, we will start. All of you repeat after me the first verse. Namaste stu
Namaste
Mahamaye
Mahamaye
Sri Pithe
Shri Pithe
Surapujite
Surapujite
Shanka Chakra
Shankachakra
Gada Haste
Gadahaste
Mahalakshmi
Mahalakshmi
Namostute.
Namostute.
Every verse will end with Mahalakshmi Namostute. Namaste stu Mahamaye Shri Pithe Surapujite.
Namaste Mahamaye Shri Pithe
Shanka Chakra Gada Haste Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Shankachakra Gadahaste Mahalakshmi Namaste.
Namaste stu Mahamaye Shri Pithe Surapujite. Shanka Chakra Gada Haste Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Namaste Mahamaye Shri Pithe Surapujite Shankachakra Gadahaste Mahalakshmi Namaste.
Translation. Reverential obeisance to you, O Mahamaya, the primordial cause of creation, who abides in Sri Pitha, the transcendental abode, and is worshipped by the Suras, who is adorned with Shankha, conch, Chakra, discus, and Gada, mace, in her hands. Reverential obeisance to you, O Devi Mahalakshmi. Now we will learn this in the tune. Namaste stu Mahamaye.
Namaste Mahamaye.
Namaste stu Mahamaye.
Namaste Mahamaye.
Pithe Surapujite.
Pithe Surapujite.
Pithe Surapujite.
Pithe Surapujite.
Shanka Chakra Gada Haste.
Shankachakra Gadahaste.
Shanka Chakra Gada Haste.
Shankachakra Gadahaste.
Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Mahalakshmi Namaste.
Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Mahalakshmi Namaste.
Line by line. Namaste stu Mahamaye Shri Pithe Surapujite.
Namaste Mahamaye Surapujite.
Namaste stu Mahamaye Shri Pithe Surapujite.
Namaste Mahamaye Shri Surapujite.
Shanka Chakra Gada Haste Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Shankachakra Gadahaste Mahalakshmi Namaste.
Shanka Chakra Gada Haste Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Shankachakra Gadahaste Mahalakshmi Namaste.
Namaste stu Mahamaye Shri Pithe Surapujite. Shanka Chakra Gada Haste Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Namaste Mahamaye Surapujite. महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते
नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्रगदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते।
नमस्ते महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते।
This is the most important shloka on Mahalakshmi. So, if anytime you have to pray to Mahalakshmi, recite this verse. Okay, like for Krishna Vasudeva Stam Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardanam, or like that you can take it, or Vina Venkatesham Pananato Nanathat for Balaji, like that. For Lakshmi, this is the main verse. Now the second verse. Namaste Garudarudhe Olasura Bhayankari Sarva Papa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. This shloka is in praise of Lakshmi who killed Kolasur. That's why Kolhapur has come. So she has killed there at that location. Therefore, Kolhapur Mahalakshmi was established there. Namaste Garudarudhe Kolasura Bhayankari Sarva Papa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Namaste Garudarudhe Kolasura Bhayankari
Namaste Garudarudhe Kolasura Bhayankari
Sarva Papa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Namaste Garudarudhe Kolasura Bhayankari Sarva Papa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Namaste Garudarudhe Kolasura Bhayankari Sarva Papa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Translation. Reverential obeisance to you who is mounted on the Garuda and who is the terror to Kolasura. Reverential obeisance to you, O Devi, who removes all sins when we surrender to you. Reverential obeisance to you, O Devi Mahalakshmi. Now in the tune. Namaste Garudarudhe.
Namaste Garudarudhe.
Namaste Garudarudhe.
Namaste Garudarudhe.
Kolasura Bhayankari.
Kolasura Bhayankari.
Kolasura Bhayankari.
Kolasura Bhayankari.
Sarva Papa Hare Devi.
Sarva Papa Hare Devi.
Sarva Papa Hare Devi.
Sarva Papa Hare Devi.
Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Mahalakshmi Namostute.
Namaste Garudarudhe Kolasura Bhayankari.
Namaste Garudarudhe Kolasura Bhayankari.
Namaste Garudarudhe Kolasura Bhayankari.
Namaste Garudarudhe Kolasura Bhayankari.
Sarva Papa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute.
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 नमस्ते गरुडारूढे कोलासुरभयङ्करी सर्वपापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते।
नमस्ते गरुडारूढे कोलासुरभयङ्करी सर्वपापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते।
नमस्ते गरुडारूढे कोलासुरभयङ्करी सर्वपापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते।
नमस्ते गरुडारूढे कोलासुरभयङ्करी सर्वपापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते।
Verse number 3, we will just complete as much as possible. Sarvagne, Sarvavarade,
सर्वपरदे
Sarvadushta, Bhayankari,
भयंकरी
Sarvadukkahare, Devi, Mahalakshmi,
महालक्ष्मी
Namostute.
नमोस्तुते।
सर्वज्ञे सर्ववरदे
सर्वज्ञे सर्ववरदे
सर्वदुष्ट भयंकरी
सर्वदुष्टभयंकरी
सर्वदुःखहरे देवी
सर्वदुःखहरे देवी
महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते।
महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते।
सर्वज्ञे सर्ववरदे सर्वदुष्ट भयंकरी
सर्वज्ञे सर्ववरदे सर्वदुष्टभयंकरी
सर्वदुःखहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते।
सर्वदुःखहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते।
सर्वज्ञे सर्ववरदे सर्वदुष्ट भयंकरी सर्वदुःखहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते।
सर्वज्ञे सर्ववरदे सर्वदुष्टभयंकरी सर्वदुःखहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते।
Translation: Reverential obeisance to you, who is all-knowing, knowing even our innermost thoughts, and who gives all boons when her grace is aroused. Reverential obeisance to you, who is the terror to all the wicked tendencies, destroying our evil tendencies. Reverential obeisance to you, O Devi, who removes all sorrows when her compassion is aroused. Reverential obeisance to you, O Devi Mahalakshmi. Tune we will learn tomorrow. I will revise once the verses learned today, 1 and 2. Lakshmi Ashtakam. Namastestu Mahamaye Shripithe Surapujite Shankachakra Gadahaste Mahalakshmi Namostute. नमस्ते गरुडारूढे कोलासुरभयङ्करी सर्वपापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते। Repeat after me. हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
हरे राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे राम